Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. First, let us calculate the marginal revenue by finding the change in total revenue for each additional unit sold. Subtract the previous total revenue from the current one to find it. Finally, compare both values at each quantity level to see where they match perfectly. At a quantity of 4, both values are equal, making this our specific target for the answer. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs.